okay, doll. You're safe. Don't stress. Yeah, your bag's still there. Oh, hello. Bit of a love tap. Goodness gracious me. Wow. It's a big unit. That's pretty scary, actually. Break bad at all. A few people out and about. Hello. Sweaty cup. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, I'm back in Bangkok. Let's go see what we can find down Soi 11. Alright, here we go. Quite a few people out. It's about 9:30 at night. No, actually it's 9:45, so hopefully there's a few things happening. Let's go and have a look. Hope everyone's well. Welcome to the channel. I do videos of Bangkok, all over Thailand actually, mainly Bangkok, Hua Hin, Phuket, Pattaya, all places like that. Alright, here we go. So now we're going down Soi 11. A few people out. Hello. How are you going? Alright, just going past Finch. Anyone here tonight? Let's have a look. A few people out the front. No, it doesn't look that busy. Oh well, keep going. A bit of Nirvana going on. I can hear that. Sounds alright. Not a bad band, Nirvana. They were pretty good back in the day. Oh, hello. What do we got here? Just walking through. There's a few people out, so that's not bad. Oh, excuse me. Bit of a bump. Oh, it's okay, doll. You're safe. Don't stress. Yeah, your bag's still there. Oh, hello. Bit of a love tap. Continue on, ladies. Just going past Burger King. You know what I think of Western restaurants? That's another story. Just outside the Wine Connection now. Not a bad joint this. I don't mind the old red here and every now and then. Pretty good place. Usually a few people in there too, sipping on a few reds or whites and watching the world go by. That's good. There's the 11 Hotel up ahead on the left. The Ambassador Hotel here on the right. Sorry, that's the Ambassador Hotel on the left. What am I saying? I love this little spot here. Cool little restaurant. Haven't been here before. Usually a few people in it. And there's the Ambassador. I haven't stayed there either. It's supposed to be a good hotel. The location's pretty good, so you know you can't really go wrong as long as the rooms are decent. You get a good feed from there. Bob's your uncle. Oh, there's the funny trucks there on the left. Yep, no thanks, mate. I'm good. I'll pass. Another one just here on the left. Plenty of them. Here's Mullis. Yeah, this joint rocks. It's been here a while. Very good little pub this on the right. Go there if you want a good drink and good feed. Very nice. There's the old German beer house on the left. That's been there for God knows how long. Can't go wrong with that place. That's a beauty. Hemingway's next to that. Not bad at all. few people out and about. Hello. Sweaty Cup. Tuk-tuks. Bawachi Indian restaurant here on the right. Looks nice. Lush rooftop there on the left. Sugar Bar. I think they're joined in part together. I'm not 100% sure. Security guard there. Okay, mate. Thank you. Slip through there. Hello. Sweaty Cup. It's the Mercure Hotel on the right. Very nice. Stayed there once. Very good. Very good. Location's excellent. The food was really good. Customer service was really good too. So that's the Sukhumvit 11 Mercure in Bangkok. Really nice hotel. Close to everything too. It's in a real good spot. Hillary's 3 on the left. Fraser Suites up there in the background at the top. Never stayed there before, but it's okay from the reviews. Don't know a lot about it. Hey mate, how you going? Nice get up. Cool. Plenty of ATMs around. The Hyde complex on the left there. Apartments. I was going to stay there once actually last time, but I think you had to book, and it had to be for more than a month if you wanted to stay there, and you couldn't use their pool or gym, which is ridiculous. So I said, nah, stuff that. I'll find somewhere else, thanks. Jamaican restaurant there on the left. There's Loft on the left as well. Rubbish, or is he selling some? The A-Loft. Coming down to sort of the busy part of Soi 11, I suppose, where most people hang out, where Hillary's is and all that, and the burger shops. Heaps of places here, good pubs and bars and stuff. Cantina Italian restaurant here on the right with pizzas. And Rista. Hillary's over there on the left on the corner. Bang Bang Burgers, you know what I think of that place. I love it. I reckon it's real good. Really good burgers in there. Do yourself a favour, as Molly would say, and grab yourself a burger from there. It's good. Real good. Shady Mansion. Haven't stayed there. And the coffee club as well. Ooh, on the road. Not bad coffee, but bloody hell. I'm not paying $10, mate. Support the locals. Go with their coffee. It's way better anyway. For less than half the price. The Moon Restaurant. There's Hillary's again. A few taxis around and motorbikes. What do we got down here? Anything? Moon Restaurant. It's a bit quiet. Plenty of rubbish bins. That smells good. Fresh fruit and veggies. Beautiful. So Big Bees. Big Bees. What is that? A bar restaurant? Is that a club? Looks like a bar restaurant. Let me know if you've been there in the comments, guys. Not sure about that place. Posher down this end, doesn't it? Interesting. Vegan. Pass, thanks anyway. Top lounge open now. Okay, interesting. Might have to suss that out. Might be having any vegan stuff though. And that's really about it, guys. Alright guys, we're back. Decided to go along the other side of the road of Soi 11 and see what else we can find. We're still at the corner here of Soi 11 where Coffee Club is and 7-Eleven and all that. There's Hillary's. Right. Hello mate. Bit of security guards out the front. Let's see what's going on down here, shall we? Right too. This is the Korean part, isn't it? Korean food and stuff. Yeah, cool. Okay, motorbike car park. Vape lady. Get a different perspective from this side of the road, see if it's any different. There's the A-Loft, hotel, condos, whatever you want to call them. There's plenty of people around, so I don't know, man. This Soi 11, I just think it's different now to what it used to be. Outside Citadines Hotel, I don't know, it just seems a lot more mellow now compared to what it used to be like back in the day. Tell me what you think in the comments. You know, whether or not it's changed, what you think of it now. I don't know. It's kind of weird. And I still enjoy it, don't get me wrong, but it's, I don't know, it just looks so much more tame now. There's the Mercure Hotel. There's our Gacho Argentinian Steakhouse. Underneath the Mercure. Hillary's number 3 coming up. There's not even many people here. Bit of Queen, Radio Gaga, Ban Puin Health Massage. Bar Froze. I've never even heard of it, half of these joints. So Sugar Club again, dead. Not many people there at all. Alchemists, it's been there a while. Grand President Hotel Complex. Pizzeria next to the German beer garden. Mollis, as I said earlier in the video, that joint's always going off. Good sports bar that. Drinks are reasonable priced. Every event you could want to see on TV you can watch, sports wise. There's those funny vans again, if you know what I mean. Quiet section here, so I might fast forward it a bit, boys. Hello, Sweaty Cup. Favourite looking restaurant with the palm trees. Don't know what the food's like, but the palm trees look awesome, lit up. A few people in there, not going off, but there's a few in there. My favourite, Wine Connection, yes, you know, great place for a wine, especially in Thailand, because a lot of the Thailand wines are pretty. Sorry, not the Thailand wines. The actual wine that you can buy in Thailand, it's not great. So Wine Connection has a good variety anyway. Okay, where are we now? Burger King. What have we here? Taco Bell restaurant on the left. Veganary, 100% vegan restaurant. Nah, thank you anyway. 7-Elevens. Goodness gracious me. Wow. It's a big unit. Man. That's pretty scary actually. Break you in half, that thing, person, male, female, not sure. Good luck to him. Finch, no one there. Just wake up. Plenty of ATMs here on the left if you need to take cash out. Yeah, so I don't know guys, let me know in the comments what you think. Soy 11, I don't know, I reckon it's lost its spark. Well, at the moment tonight it has anyway. I don't know what you guys think, let me know as I said in the comments. Yeah, I think it's lost its spark. There's a lot of different places here now, a lot of shut down since, you know, COVID. And a lot of new places have opened up, but yeah, I don't know. Still a few massage places around on the sides there, but I don't know, the nightclubs and the bars, they all just seem so much more tame now. So here we are coming up to the main Sukhumvit. There's episode 11 here on the left. You can get through here. Chinese Dragon. Looks cool. Outside the 7-Eleven here on the corner of Sukhumvit 11 and the main Sukhumvit Road. So it's a little busier down these main roads. Obviously, the main road. Soy 8 over there, that's where we're staying up there. Nice, excellent area there. Really good. So what we might do, we might head across just over here to Nana BTS. Cool little stumps, I reckon. Cool tuk-tuk. Oh, let me get through. Beautiful, thank you very much. It's coming up to Nana BTS here. So there's streets here on Main Sukhumvit to Pumpkin, mate. Next video I'll be along here anyway. Alright guys, thanks for watching, I appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button, and please give a like if you enjoyed it. I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.